So we had a very well set structure. I did not need to question the structure. It was like a corporate and a regional structure, which kind of was working then and is working now. But I think that what I brought in was some renewed focus on a couple of areas. So let me talk about two. One is, how does finance show up to the business? Is finance doing more of reporting, spending a lot of time on producing statements, data, numbers, or are they playing a prominent enough role in having a seat at the table in driving decisions, in pushing value levers? And I think that on the latter, finance has a strong seat on the table today. Finance has become a much bigger thought partner, participating, playing a role in shaping strategy, in shaping outcomes. That is one thing that we have been able to move the needle on. The other thing is focus on people pipeline. And I think that we have really done a lot of good work in enriching the talent pipeline. I personally spend a lot of time in really looking at where are my leaders going to come from 5 years down the line, 6 years down the line? How's my line of succession looking to my direct reports? Are we having enough depth of talent? So as a team, my leadership team and myself, we do spend a lot of time in making sure that we are deepening the organization, creating a bench so that we are able to move people, and we don't have situations where somebody who deserves to move to another job or a higher job is not able to do so because there is no succession. So I think that if there are two areas where we have moved the needle, it is this. I spoke about pushing value levers. I think that that there is some credit that goes to the finance organization in the way we have been able to enhance the profitability and results of the company. I mean, doubling EBITDA is not an accident. It has been a strong partnering between the business leaders and the finance leaders coming together to prioritize, allocate resources. Capital allocation is a big deal for us. We are a very capital-intensive company, and if you don't make the right investment decisions, things can go very badly wrong. So if you invest wrongly, it can derail you completely because these are big investments, and if they don't turn out to be right, it has consequences. But not investing has consequences because you don't grow. So finding that right balance of where do I prioritize and put my capital, I think that I have played a role in that. Both organically, we have done a big acquisition, inorganically as well. So, that has been something that, I have influenced, and my team has influenced together with all the business leaders in the team.